Robot 1, Human 0.
When you imagine robotic Pong, you probably imagine this, playing Pong on a table with your humanoid robot. In fact, it's just the arcade table itself. Now, this was made by a company called Alan-1, which sells these home coffee tables that make any room into a classic Pong from the future. Now, together we'll be unboxing this as well as trying it out and seeing exactly can we beat, in fact, our G1. So if you guys want to learn more about it, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Now, unboxing it was quite simple. In fact, majority of it's already pre-built. It's just the fact that moving it to a place like this is probably the hardest part, as it is super heavy. Now, I would recommend removing the glass, in which it does come with the suction, kind of like how we did right over here, and then that'll go ahead and help save some weight. Rotating on its side will make it a lot more easier to carry in. Just exercise caution when you do bring it wherever you are. Now, once it's set up, it's quite simple. There is a physical power button here on the bottom, as well as some different ports, including USB ports to charge your devices, and then has this very unique table style setup. Now, it does open and close by simply moving it just like this, and that will be on both sides. Now, it's both one player and two player, and then over here you have a nice LED display kind of indicating the score, as well as the pre-defaulted settings. So if I go and hold these buttons over here,
configuration.
This will go into our menu mode. Now what this will do is allow us to go ahead and change the settings of the game. If you want to change the number of points, or if you want to change the theme music, it's entirely up to you. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out and see if we can beat G1. Alright G1, let's do this. Now the trick is to always stay in the middle, because it is kind of slow to get to the other side. But that's all part of the fun game. Now obviously the faster you spin it, the faster it goes, but it does seem to have a top speed of how fast you can move it. Now, the science behind this is that it uses magnetics to go ahead and move these pieces. So you actually have physical elements rather than fake elements, and just like that. Machine 1, man 0. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So with that said, let me go ahead and hop on my kids next and see what they think. So I got Hamza here, and Hamza, you ready to try this out?
Yeah.
Okay. Now he's 8 years old, and he's actually never heard of Pong until now. So let's see how this plays out. All right. So the trick is that you move this little guy, and then you just want to hit it back and forth. Okay. Kind of like table tennis. Think of it that way. Ready? So we had 2 players. All right. So it's first to 5 wins. Okay. So you gotta like bounce it back. Okay. Go ahead. Try it. Is it cool?
Yeah.
No! There you go. There you go. Okay, so how are you learning so fast? Aha! Who's your daddy? I'm your daddy. No! Okay. No! Come on. Okay, 3-3. 3 up. 3 up. 3 up. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh! You know, I've been playing this game since I was a little kid. You know that, right? Probably your age. Winner takes all. Winner takes all. What are you gonna do, buddy? Come on, come on. To tots. Yeah, in your face. Yeah. So, anyways, Hamza, what did you think of the game?
Cool.
All right. What do you like about it the most right now?
I liked it because it's like a magnet inside. I feel like it's like real.
Yeah, so it's actually got a physical element to it. There's actually a piece that moves. It's not just a screen. It's actually something that's really there. And that is the beauty behind this. And yeah, I mean, would you want to play some more?
Yeah.
There's your answer. So there you guys have it. This here is Pong by Alan-1. Hands down a really cool product. If you're looking to spice up your arcade or spice up your home, this is a great way to go. The nostalgia of it alone does make sense, and I have to say, hands down, they did a great job. Now, with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.